The probability of an event is a measure of the chance of it happening. So the probability of an event occurring is sort of measured on a scale like this. So we start at this end, we get impossible, and then at this end we get likely. In the middle we get evens. Here we sort of put unlikely events, and here we put likely events. So the question says, draw an arrow to show the chance of the following events happening. So if we draw down our scale down here, so A, when a fair die is rolled, an even number is obtained. So if we think about that, a fair die has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 normally on it. And therefore, how many of those are even? 3 out of 6. So like half the time we would expect to get an even number. So therefore, this one would have to go here. So we'll put A there. The day after Saturday will be a Sunday. Well, that's certain to happen because the day on the calendar after Saturday is Sunday. So that will go up here. When a card is selected from a pack, it will be a king. There are only 4 kings in a pack of cards, and there are 52 altogether if we don't count the jokers. So that is going to be almost impossible, between impossible and unlikely. So we'll put that about there. When a card, you will get a total of 13 when 2 fair dice are thrown together. Well, if the 2 dice have numbers 1 to 6 on them each, the highest number you can get is 6 and a 6, which will be a 12. Okay, it's actually impossible to get a 13, so D will go there. I will have to wait no longer than 10 minutes for the number 11 bus in Southampton on a normal weekday. Well, in normal circumstances, the number 11 bus sort of comes, it's supposed to come every 7 minutes. Okay, so it is very likely that you will have to wait no longer than 10 minutes. So this will be somewhere up here. All right, so you can put events on a probability scale. However, normally the chance of an event happening is called the probability of an event, and can be represented on a numerical scale from 0, which is impossible, to 1, which is certain. And if we look at the scale that we just had, we can now add sort of numbers. So here we have impossible, which is 0, and here we have certain, which is 1. Even would be 0.5, unlikely anything lower than 0.25, likely more than 0.75. So we can have this sort of numerical scale to represent probabilities. So all probabilities are normally given as a fraction between 0 and 1. Okay, so this has been a video to show you about the probability scales and probabilities representing probabilities on a scale. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.